Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit.
We was lit. And then
champagne all over my $1,000. Each one of those cushions is $1,000.
he was not having it.
You gotta act like you fucking been here before.
Yes, brothers and sisters, greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us. Welcome, viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help grow the platform. You know, see, be a nice gesture. Seen? So, the youth named Mathew Rodney. You can check him out on Instagram and things like that. You were a spearhead the demand for unionizing the tourism industry and things like that. So he organize a protest for the 19th of July. See? Think him on the same place what you call it here, Escort Hotel. See? Right at the east of them, where the east of them own and things like that. So we ask everybody to go out and support him, at least even for him own safety and things like that. See? And upon the issue of safety, now we're going to expound on that some more, but before we go any further, we want the item support Matthew. We want the item left out of them yard and go out there and go stand up with the youth. See? It should be nice if it's a national day of go slow in the hotel industry, because the boss, if you understand, so when you want go out there for an hour out of work day, go stay with him and come back. If him no want that, to not take the whole day. He can't afford that. He can't replace the whole afford to replace the whole on by tomorrow. At the highest point of the tourist season now them have to negotiate with the worker. Them can't afford to mess around because it will affect them next year, next 2-3 years. If you come, it will affect them sales. You know, see? So if the item no in and out stress about losing work and things like that, where them are going to find experienced people to replace Uno, so that them can please the guests them and the skill and the standard where them used to. You know, the mixologists them. You see, the housekeeper them, the people who know to fold the towel them like a swan. And them way there. When you think anybody can jump up and do them, or them can teach somebody to do that in the space of an hour. Start do that, Jamaica. Me I beg you. The rest of hotel worker them at time now, Rasta. You know, see it? As you have to put it, you see that fear of getting dismissed or fired from the job. This is where you put an end to that fear. How one I walk up and down with a baggage there go. Favor, Rasta. This is when boss realize that them people are organized pan we, you know. We can't afford this. We have to go sit down with them and reason with them better. Some of them, the rest of them all come admit to for them work and them say, yeah, I hear that thing. It's a keep up over Escort. We would have never deal with it. So lucky thing. Yo, even if nobody had deal with it, so tell we and make we stop it. That nothing happen again. Go on like say them is not with them thing there because none of them get caught out. You see, well done Mathew Rodney. Mathew Rodney on Instagram. You know, follow him, support him and stay in tune to where I'm going with. Guidance, give him the guidance and the legal mindset where him need and the confidence and support where him need for go through because he's a very pleasant and decent young man. You know, see it? There is more seduction out there for do evil than for go work. And when you say a man motivated them way, and Mr. Issa sit back on him pump and pride and I want undo the wrong where him do him a try be wrong and strong in a Jamaica. You know, see it? And Jamaicans, I live with it and I accept it. Them think they can't even go on to England where pure white people, then that white people can't do that and get away with it. Them have to do it secretly. Them have to come up with some one long year what a soap opera business pan you. You know, see it, and them time that them barely can get away with that. Barely. If them can't get away with it, sometimes you just say, Chuck, can't bother with this and walk away. Because that's how they make you feel. Them rather make you feel uncomfortable and unwelcome than come blatantly in your face, come tell you, say, you feel leave. You know, see it? Them have them little way or them hint to you, say, you know, welcome. And them have to do it non-violently and, you know, yeah, malicious, but without, it's like subtle, very subtle. Not very, well, you know me I deal, I'm in a business. It just the fact is, I can't deal with it, so like how them guys they deal with I and I. Them guys that were exploited for decades, for them father, mother. We build a legacy, give them on the back of us. And now we know, we learn, and we come to understand where we come by position in Jamaica and monopolization of the tourism industry. You know, see, because if you notice our dumb politicians, them now try inspire citizens, local people, build up a little tash to mini, a little shack in your yard, sponsor it, on some of the property. You know, see it? Sponsor a decent little wood shack with everything, all of the amenities where a civil tourist would expect to come see. You know, see it? And make them people rent them out to the tourists them and cater for the tourists them and pay on the little back, little by little for the shack want to build up because the tourists them don't want more than that. You see it? So that poor people can get a slice of the pie. Why you allow them big monopoly or them big guy for just all-inclusive style and all them thing there and create for the rest of Jamaican. You know, see it, a stereotype like them dangerous to tourists, like the tourists them they're in a danger and them all-inclusive hotel you have to protect them. You know, see it, insulting our civility. So that them can pile more money in them pocket and our greedy, big-head, waff-dog-head politician them just sit back and allow it. And make it look like say no because them get for them pocket full, you know. Them could have always them thing there. And I like say them boy bring tourists come to Jamaica, you know. Are they Jamaica bring tourists come there? Them boy you have nothing to do with the old people. People, nobody now come there for expect so them boy run nothing either, you know. And that more want to know, you know. You know, see it. And if them people I didn't know say from certain like managerial position, no reserve for no black Jamaican in none of them hotel industry, you know, and them thing the way I realize again too, you know. You know, see it, and our Jamaican them are the major workforce in there and sit down there and accept them thing there. You know, see it. No, upon the argument of security, because more than anything else, you know, I'm gonna look into them. You see, Iburo Star. I want another dirty one again. You know, see, all of the hotels them at Jamaica, benefit from slave labor. And I'm gonna do the research and I do the maths them for come forward with a argument about that. You know, see, because most of them are foreign operated Iberia Star are European operated. You see it, and the maddest thing about it, are you UN and European courts of human rights. Furthermore, Europe going like a them champion human rights right across the world. So Iberia Star, particularly to me, is like a small fry. Big as and rich as them is, easy for handle for me. You know, see it? You see the other rest of them and them we are work and find out who them is, where them come from and things like that. And drape them where it hurts too as well. You know, see it? We love the people them more than how we love the little sweets where some boy I bring come drop and we sure. You know, see it? Yeah. And regarding the youth, Mathew Rodney security, Jamaican youth and youth, stepper, gangster, shatter, wanna call on yourself anything. Listen, we know life cheap, Rasta. You know, see, we know say it take little and nothing to take out a man, regardless of what the problem is or the issue is. See, in the case of youth and youth, we want to reverse the attitude and take care of Mathew. Protect Mathew. Mathew a fight for no grandfather. Mathew a fight for no great grandfather. That fight a fight where somebody should have do for them Rasta. The youth a mean nobody, no Jamaican, none of uno no arm. The youth a intention a more a protective nature, a more protective intent towards, you know, I and I Rasta. Uno no take no bribe or no take no chat on that one ya. No make no boy from now we come inspire uno look how long uno dead hungry and suffer and nobody no go no nothing. You know see it? And I know when a man a defend something for the whole of uno, you might want to come carry something come give one of uno or two of uno. If you look down upon uno brethren, hurt on a brethren. If hurt the man we a try. And a man will take it and say, I mean him hungry. And no bother with that time here. Death and destruction and crosses upon every member of our family. Every generations to come. If you don't touch that one here. You hear that? Generations to come. Until our bloodline is white from the face of the earth. And no longer even a memory. Minute memory. You know the thoughts of man, Rasta. That's the comeuppance where anybody touch the youth you go get. You know see? And very swiftly too. I mean like nobody has said nobody has come after you know. No man, natural nature, Mother Earth, spirituality, faith. And all of them things the Rasta. I tell you. You know see it? Them say bad luck was an old behind, remember that. And that one year got mad if none of you ever even try or attempt. And I can promise you that. Without, you know, yeah. Without contention. Yes, I. So you just know that. And be careful of the guy where I come try, make you kill another nanny, kill another. You know, see, because at the end of the day, a big fight this in a modern day, yeah. And the fight still a go on. And at the type of people them way. Remember, you know, all our way I live with it now. Regardless of the facts that we didn't know, yes or no. Say everybody were working at the hotel industry as slave. Regardless of so we didn't know, yes or no. Because I see I want our own Jamaican triple X. Big, dirty, drunker triple X. Triple X where him should even Jaja. Me see the man come defame the whole Jamaica the other day and promote the hotel industry, you know, Rasta. A dirty, drunker sellout that, you know. How them boy, they got them bed at night time, Rasta, and sleep with a clear conscience. How? And how Jamaica allow him to do it? How Jamaica allow him to do it? What the standard the Rasta? What the standard of people them want to have a talk in the public? Certain boy couldn't talk, man, them get them teeth lick out, Rasta. Lick out! How Triple X to go do that to him, one of black people them in Jamaica today, and I walk around same way. You know see? That no fear. Them things that no fear Rasta. And I claim say the youth act like him and Marcus Garvey. No, you say the youth act like him and Marcus Garvey. We see you act like bag of wire. You see it? And you say that. But the youth, we all saw you being bag of wire, Rasta. You see it? But anyway, we now waste no breath upon them crosses there in that one. Because that one is more like a prayer for guidance, protection, support, and, you know what I say, blessings and tranquility to Mathew Rodney. And strength. We want the item go support him. If even go, yeah. Look, no man, the Jamaican don't do that, man. I want to know, man, hundreds of years, them boy are do it for, you know, and plan for continue do it for. You see, the good thing about it is that even international law support the move where Mathew Rodney make. Even if Jamaica dirty corrupt politician them no want act in regards to Jamaica people, to the benefit of Jamaica people, because of that I go on them a play deaf face and I go on like them no know so the people them right, and the people them have rights. Nowhere in the world they can go. Them boy they can't bring you what call it here? 0-hour contract to nobody in Europe. And Iberia star there, Jamaica do it. Big European Spanish billionaire them boy they go that they want to slave at Jamaica. You wait, me I search them, so find them. Anyway, we are trying to keep it simple today. See? So the 19, think at 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock, you go from 9 down at S Court Hotel, Mobile. Mathew Rodney will be staging a protest, Rasta, regarding the treatment of local workers in Jamaica, the wage that them get, basically modern day slavery in Jamaica. And I give thanks, Rasta. Rastafari.